Hey, what is up YouTube? So a few days ago I went to Las Vegas Strip to take some photos. I didn't have any plans in mind really, just wanted to test out my 70-200 and I had a wonderful time. I met some cool people, took a lot of photos, and I just want to share with you my experience being a street photographer so you know what to expect if you are going to do the same thing. Yeah, you will see me interact with some people and ask them for photos, in the end exchanging contact information so that I can send them the photos that I took. So I hope you will enjoy the video. Let's jump right into it.
Can I take a few photos of you guys? Yeah? Beautiful. Yeah, nice.
Oh wait guys, these are fire.
Yeah, they're good. I see.
You guys want it? I can send it to you like Instagram, email if you have.
Yeah.
Okay.
Excuse me, do you want me to mail some of the photos I took?
Yeah, you
Sure. Yeah? Yeah. Can you write out your email just in case, you know, just extra?
Yeah, absolutely.
We will always take more pictures.
Yeah.
And that's the end of the video. Please leave a like, it will help me tremendously. Thank you very much.